drawing environment has received even more enhancements in 2023.2. When retrieving 3D annotations in the drawing environment, it is now possible to select a component within an assembly. Simply click the Select Source button, pick your component, and then turn off the Select Source toggle. You can now filter 3D annotations by type, or include all of them at once. When applying baseline, ordinate or chain dimensions, after clicking Continue, the Escape key will now finish the command and keep any dimensions already created. Drawing tables are now modeless, which means that when the Edit dialog box is open, pan and zoom can still be used in the background on the drawing sheet. When creating a breakout view, if the profile sketch is not a closed loop, Inventor will now give you the option to edit the sketch. There's now a quicker way of choosing your view orientation. Set the part or assembly to any angle you want in the graphics area. And then back in the drawing view, there's a new option called Current Model Orientation, which will match the drawing view to the current position of the model. And finally, if your company decides to rebrand, it's now really easy to change the title block. Simply double-click the new title block in the Drawing Resources browser, and a new dialog will allow you to switch the current title block for the selected one. All this and much more in Inventor 2023.2.